Hey guys, how's it going? Just the next update here. The iWire harness just got back to me in the mail. So hopefully my next video is going to be of this thing starting up. So I'm on the home stretch here. I put it up as much as I could on the engine. Just to kind of show you guys on the hybrid builds. I guess a lot of guys on the forums were kind of running the extra port here on the 2.5 the EJ257 short block, so they actually have that extra port for the valve cover breather. So that's kind of what we did there. Just kind of copy other people and just mimic the same way that the STIs had it from the same port. And get this thing ready to drop in the motor and get the wiring harness back in and installed. So that's going to be the next step, and like I said, hopefully the next video we see is going to be of this vehicle starting up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys join me in the next video and hopefully watching this thing start up. Bye now.